student, good morning. Today is Wednesday and we are going to work on maths. Okay, so come, let's get started. Before getting into the concept for today, I thought we'll just have a revisit of whatever we did in the earlier videos. You all must be like aware of writing till 9, tracing and writing till the number 9. Why don't we just go ahead and identify those numbers and just play a short game for you to revise it. Okay, come. Please tell me what number is this? 1, correct. 2, very good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, correct, very good. So now you all know to identify numbers from 1 to 10. Yeah, can you all tell with me? Repeat it. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so now we are going to know about another number. This is the number 10. Yes, Miss June has taught you number 10 and how to count number 10 in the previous videos. Yes, so this is number 10. You all remember? Yes, Miss Juno showed this to you. This is number 10. 10. Very good. Okay, before getting into the other topic, I would like you to answer me one question. What did Miss Juno say? What did Miss Juno tell you the number for which you have nothing? You remember Miss Juno teaching you that spindle box, showing you the spindle box? Yes, there was one box, there was one block where there was nothing. What number you associate to it? What number you give to nothing? It is? I'm hearing some answers. Yes? 0. Very good. Yes, 0. You all remember this? This is the number 0. 0 means nothing. Nothing. There is no any number. There is no any number. There is no anything to count. So what you do? You just give it as a number 0. And now we'll learn how to trace number 0. Shall we go ahead and trace it? Okay. See? As Miss Juno told earlier, this yellow line has to be down. It has to be here. Okay? So starting from here, you have to stop where you started. Are you able to see clearly? Starting from here. Shall we start? Okay. Stop. Start. Stop. This is 0. 0. 0 means nothing. 0. Shall we do it once again? Starting from here. Go down and say and stop. This is 0. 0 means nothing. 0. Repeat it. 0. Okay, so after knowing this, you are going to do this, practice it in our favorite sand tub. Okay, shall we go ahead? Go ahead. Starting from here. Stop. 0. 0 is nothing but it's like drawing a small circle. Okay? Clear? Fine. Now, what shall we do is like we'll start tracing these numbers and revise them. Okay? Give me 1 minute. Fine? Shall we start? We'll start tracing from 1 till 9. We'll revise them and then we'll go about how to trace and write 0 and 10. Okay? So what is number 1? The most easiest one to write, a standing line. Correct. 1. Then what comes next? Number 2. Very good. Shall we go ahead and trace it? Starting from here and a straight line. Sleeping line, I mean to say a straight sleeping line. Correct? Okay, what is this? This is number 2. Then what comes next? 3. Very good. 3. 2 wavy lines. Remember, we are drawing the pattern of waves. So 2 like waves, this is curved. 2 curved lines. See, are you able to see? It's 3. Then we are going to write 4. How do you write 4? Standing line, sleeping line and a standing line. Number 4. Okay? Then number 5. Sleeping line, standing line and a curved line. Number 5. 5. Then you have, what is this? 6, correct. Come down, come and go and stop. 6. 6. Then you have 7. How do you write 7? Sleeping line and a slanting line, a slightly slanting line. Right? Okay, then you have, this is number 7. Then you have 8. Starting here, stop. 8. This is 8. Then you have 9. 9. One more time. Okay, 9. You just draw a small circle and a straight line. Number 9. Okay, so after knowing until number 9, now we are going to learn how to trace and write number 0 and 10. Okay, what is this? 0. Yes, like writing number 1, 0 is also very easy. You all know how to draw a circle, right? You all had an exercise earlier to draw a circle. Drawing a small circle is like drawing a 0. Shall we go ahead and do that? Starting from here, I'm going to draw a small circle. This is 0. 0. 0 means, as Miss Juno told, nothing. 0. 0. Right? Okay, then. Right, we'll come to how to trace number 10. This is number 10. Tracing 10 is also as easy as writing the other numbers. Shall we go ahead and do it? Okay. Shall we write? Write 1 and a 0. 10. 1 and 0. 10. Clear? We'll do it again. 1, 0. 10. 0 is nothing but a small circle. I told you, right? So we'll write it here. 1, a small and a small circle. 1, 0. 10. 1, 0 is 10. Clear? Okay, so what we are going to do is now we are going to take out our workbook and do the activity for today. Open page number 23. Open your maths book and open your page number 23. And what do you see here? You see a lot of seashells. Sorry, Solmolia, seashells. You see them when you go to visit a beach. You see this, right? See these? So, we'll count and know how many seashells are here. Shall we count? Fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many seashells are here? 10. Shall we count again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10 seashells. 10. You have 1 and 0. 10. Okay. So you have been given space for tracing number 10, and you also can write it all by yourself. Without these shadows, you can write all by yourself. Okay. So then go to page number 24 and open page number 24, and you have I have another activity, the next activity to do. What is it? Trace and write numbers 1 to 10. We did it today, right? You have to trace and write number 1 to 10. Then you have to write all by yourself. Trace using the shadows here. Then write all by yourself. I know you all know to write 1 to 10. Yes, you all enjoyed learning how to write 1 to 10. So, write 1 to 10 and write all by yourself here. Okay, this you will be doing it today. Tomorrow, you will open your homework notebook. Open your homework notebook and open the page that has the date 12/8/2020. 12/8, that is today's date. Tomorrow you will be working on it, okay? And trace and write number 0. Now just now we learned how to trace and write 0. So tomorrow trace and write number 0. Then you will come to this page, the other page that also has the date 12/8/2020. You will again trace and write number 10. Trace and write number 10. After practicing it, you will come to the other page wherein that also has the date 12/8. Okay, what you will do is count and circle the correct number. Count these objects and write the correct number here. One is done for you. What is this? These are lamps. Shall we count how many lamps are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 lamps, so 6 is circled. Likewise, you will count all these things. You will count snails. What is this? Mushrooms. Then you have other things. Go ahead, count it and circle the number, the correct number. Okay? You'll be doing this tomorrow. Okay? This is for your reference. Thank you. Fine? I'll meet you in another video. Until then, bye.